Good day, folks. This is your boy Faris Deloney, and I am coming to you live here from my home office. Now, I said I was going to start using this when the first came around. Well, today is the first, and I am officially signed up with this thing. I had been trying to use traffic exchanges um, and get all that traffic done by hand, and I had my campaign set up, and then I set my sites up for to get views. So this morning, so far, I've had 4 views on my site, and from what I can tell, at least this traffic that I'm gonna be getting, which is 10,000 views, and I still have 10,000 more views that I could assign to a specific campaign. I can divide them up, and I can create different campaigns, or I can have up to 7. I can actually have up to 7 more campaigns. I can have up to 7 campaigns right now. I can have 10. Oh, I said 7. I mean, I can add 7. I can add 7 more. I can add 7 more campaigns to this list, and I'm just going to devise them up and utilize them and create different capture pages for one opportunity, basically, and to just basically put myself in the rotate a little bit more. Now, this system also, too, unfortunately, I think they blacklisted me because I created a scam video about all-in-one profit. They also use all-in-one profits too. And the reason why I said I made a scam videos about it is because they're a good company. And I told them, I said, they're a good company, but the way the continual broadcast of you, the way they get paid is, every other person that you refer, you have to refer up to your sponsor. And I mean, that's infinitum. It doesn't cut off at you just giving up 2. It doesn't cut off at you just giving up, 3. It goes into infinitum. I was like, well, what happens if you, get in and you get somebody that's a rock star, and you have to pass them up to your sponsor, and you miss out on all that traction that they would have given you had they been in your downline in the beginning. And I guess I got blacklisted because I have questions about that. I just have a problem with that. There's no way in God's green earth that we go out here and promote forever and a day. We want to promote and pass up. I can get it when you get your pass ups from your people, your 2 qualifiers, they owe you some people, but then that's cool. But if you get a true live rock star and you happen to just be trying to square them off, there's no way to square them off or situate them to where they would be in your downline if you have a lot of traction going for that specific opportunity. But they're a good company. I just didn't agree with the pay plan. I would rather have something like a Matrix where if I get a superstar, a rock star, I don't have to miss out on those commissions that rock star would create. So that's all I said. And that just makes sense, right? For everybody. And that's one of the things why I situate myself with this. But I was trying to do the traffic exchanges on a day-to-day basis, and Ripley's, believe it or not, that will mess your arm up. I messed my arm up doing it. I was like, what in the heck? Did I break my arm? I didn't hit my arm. Didn't nobody hit me in my arm. I'm like, what the world is going on? I was like, is that I think. But after clicking so much stuff, it was like my arm just went kind of whack, and it's been kind of messed up ever since. It's been kind of stiff and messed up, and it's just for me sitting here trying to get this, and I didn't want to do that no more. I didn't want to sit in front of the computer all day long trying to submit to traffic exchanges all day. If there was a way for me to submit to all the traffic exchanges at one time, I would be happy. Another one that I said I was going to try to use was this one right here. Now I've done solo ads, and whew, it's been a pain in the butt. I am fixing to get this. I say fin to. Sorry, I'm country. I'm fixing to sign up for this thing and have my 100 calls coming in each and every month. And the reason why is that I need something that's going to work. And if you so decide to join me in my main MLM, my main company, I will knock the $100 that it would normally cost you to get in on the P2 level off. So what they're saying is that when you join, and it's a travel opportunity, travel 10. Basically, if you come in at the $24 level, you get $76 worth of value put back in your pocket. Basically, you have a $76 savings that you can put back in your pocket, and you can get 200 leads instead of just 100 leads coming that would normally come with just the P1 level. And you can, advertise and put more people in to get more leads and all that other stuff. That's cool. But if you want that 200 leads and you want to have access to availability, access to get to the P3 level, then join me in Travel 10, and I will waive that $100 fee for you signing up for a $24 business. It's $24.95. So roughly $25.05 that you now hold on. $75.05 that you say. So not 76 actually. It's $75.06. Yeah. $75.05. Lord, it's early in the morning. Forgive me. But that you would save on yourself. So if you join me in Travel 10, I'll waive that $100 fee, and you can get that P2 level. The P1 level is $15 alone, so you can get that and have that to promote with. And like I said, the final step is to get to this little level right here, and the P3 100 calls coming in. I've not seen anybody do a review on it, so I'm gonna try it for a month. And see what turns up. Anyway, this has been your boy Ferris Salon. Be blessed, not stressed. Always be motivated by. Oh, hold on. They also too for those that don't know, MLM Recruiter on Demand, they have MLMROD incentives. So what this is something that I'm not really gonna get cash on. I'm just sharing it with you. You can put your YouTube link in there. Oh, okay, I got no YouTube link. Sorry, I'm yawning. It's been an early morning for me. Forget about it. Free demo. Paste. God dang it, boy. What I'm doing. So, start presentation now. It's a cool little deal. And send your access code. Now, what this, you need to hold on to that when it says, so you get your, what this does is special presentation offer. Receive $50 cash gift reward for watching a short presentation. And it's, if you're going to be doing this, it's like a double incentive. If you're in any business like mine, it's kind of like a double incentive for you. Um, to sign up, and you save that. So you have to actually watch the video. You watch the first 10 minutes of the video
Attention network marketer, would
for
you
the
like to
reward.
have
You have to
3 to
watch
5
actually
new
10
people
minutes
looking at
of the
your network
whole 10
marketing
minutes of
business every
video
single day?
before the button
Of course you would, right?
comes through.
You
So
know, our
they'll know. And once you do that, you get your $50 cash reward to go shopping in the little online mall or whatever have you. So, and it could be used for anything. I think I saw it once before, but it's kind of cool little deal. It's just to kind of, double up on what you're doing already. So anyway, this has been your boy Ferris Lonan. Be blessed, not stressed, always be motivated by success. And I'll see you guys on the beaches of the world. Utilize these tools. And yeah, you don't necessarily have to join me in business to do that, but I mean, to utilize this tool, or this tool at the $15 level. You can pay the full $100 or whatever if you want to, and that'll be cool too, because I can use that commission as well. But I would rather you save a little bit of money and come on in and get this and get in this amazing opportunity while and help yourself go global for what the price is. You heard me say it was $24.95, so it's not expensive. Grown folks got $24.95. I think that's one of the problems with people joining businesses, that they don't, $300-400 out of your pocket may not sound like a lot when to be a grown person, but when you're trying to, buy groceries, you got 3-4 kids, you're trying to get up and trying to put people through, trying to get people fed and keep the bills on. It's not feasibly possible, because that's a good lump of change when you're trying to feed 3-4 mouths and broken up too. So anyway, be blessed.